Think your top competitors are just lucky? Think again. While you're busy building, what your top competitors are hiding are the exact strategies, tactics, and insights that are helping them win. They have advantages they don't want you to know about, and frankly, if you're not looking for them, you're missing out big time. But what if you could uncover their most valuable secrets? Stick around, and I'll show you how simple competitor research online can help you discover competitor secrets and get ahead. It might feel a little cloak and dagger, but this isn't about shady tactics. It's about smart business. Every successful online business leaves clues in plain sight. Their website, their social media, their content, it all tells a story about what your top competitors are hiding in terms of their winning approach. By doing strategic online business competitor analysis, you can learn from competitors online and identify patterns, not just copy them. Imagine knowing their best traffic sources, their most popular products, the exact marketing messages actually working for them. These aren't impossible mysteries. These are the kinds of valuable insights you can discover competitor secrets by knowing where to look. This is the power of smart competitive analysis online business strategies are built on. You can start by analyzing their website structure and messaging. Look at their social media. What content gets the most engagement? What questions are their customers asking? See what topics they cover in their blogs or videos. Pay attention to customer reviews they receive or don't receive. This intelligence helps you refine your own online business strategy and find ways to get ahead online business rivals might not expect. It's a simple way to spy on competition online and gain a competitive edge. Knowing what your top competitors are hiding through research is like having a roadmap to success that you can learn from. Want to dive deeper into the specific tools and tactics to effectively discover competitor secrets and truly outsmart competitors online? Check out my other videos for detailed guides on online business competitor analysis and winning online business tips.